Hey, this is Vinyl Keith coming at you with another video. How you guys doing today? I think I'll do a unconventional unboxing. Okay, this is not records, as you can tell. I put in an order for some cool gear. Okay, and after about 10 days, it finally came. So let's get into it. Oh yeah. Look at that. You guessed it, it's shirts. Let's open this up. I've been waiting for this, man. It took too long to get here. Oh, man, I always do that. Sorry about that. Whoop. Get it together, Keith. Alright, got some really cool shirts here. Alright, first one up. These are made to look pre-washed or whatever, you know what I mean? Okay, I had to order a new Killer shirt because my other one's kind of tight on me. It's a large. So I got the right, got the right size now. Extra large. Look at that. See how it's pre-washed? Pretty sweet. And on the back, Killers. Hell yeah, that's a great looking shirt. Alright, that's one. And I'll save the coolest looking one for last. This one, of course, you know, is from my favorite Iron Maiden album. Or one of my favorites, like Killers is. Power Slave. All three of these are pre-washed, you can tell. Whatever they do to make it look that way, I think it's badass. You see all that there? Yeah. Pretty sweet. And they're all printed on the back too, which is what I like. What does that say? Oh, Power Slave, okay. Yep. Pretty sweet. Iron Maiden Power Slave. And last but not least, this is probably the best one. I don't think I've seen one of these before. Remember the song Twilight Zone? Look at that. I've always loved that artwork. Pretty sweet. And then the back. Pretty cool, huh? Got me some new Iron Maiden gear. I needed it too. Alright, that's all I had for you. Just want to do a short video unboxing of that. I'll do another video sometime later today. Haven't decided what to do yet, but you'll find out. Have a good afternoon.